Hey, how's it going? This is Richard again from Arena Bike Works here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change a cassette on a freewheel from one hub of one wheel to another if you get a new wheel. Now the tools that you're going to need are a chain whip and two lock ring tools, and depending on whether your group set is Shimano or Campy, that determines which lock ring you're going to use. So the blue tool at the bottom here is the chain whip, and the lock ring tools are these two smaller keyed tools. So, alright, so I'll show you how you normally get it off. So first things first, I'm going to take my my lock ring tool. I'm going to slide it into place so it snugly fits down inside the cassette. It's buried in there, the mesh is engaged, and I can now take my chain whip, and that fits nicely around that lock ring, and you want to crank lefty-loosey. So just like, any other thing with the screw, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Now you can either hold the rim with your hands, tip it sideways, and go lefty-loosey until... Here you can see I have my Shimano lock ring tool in a vise. Now this is something you can do if your freewheel hub is just fused onto your freewheel cassette is just fused onto your hub. Now if you need more leverage than just using the chain whip, you can put the tool in a vise, take your wheel, put it down on top so that it's locked in there, and then you can use the full leverage of the wheel to turn and spin it all the way out. As you can see, it's unscrewing. You'll see that shiny part in between the cassette and the freewheel get taller. Those are the threads. It's coming undone. Again, you don't have to do it this way, but if it's too tight and you can't get it off with the chain whip, there you have it. That's been on there for a few years. Now, you just gotta unclamp it from the vise. Again, there it is. Here I have my new wheel and my old but still good freewheel cassette with the lock ring tool still inside of it. Now I'm going to insert it over the skewer, over the axle. There's no skewers in this one, but and we're going to thread it back on. Alright, so now it's engaged. I'm going to turn it. You can do it hand tight most of the way. Alright, so now our cassette is on our new wheel. It's nice and straight, and just to make sure that it's tight, we're now going to take our chain whip and just pull it hand tight. Okay. And then pop it free. Alright. There you have it. New wheel, same cassette. So thanks again guys for watching. Just wanted to say again, the tools needed for this is a chain whip and either the Shimano SRAM or Campy lock ring tool. Obviously whatever wheel you're using to transfer it. This is to transfer a freewheel cassette from one wheel to another. Alright, hope you liked the video. Tried to keep it simple. Let me know if you have any questions, and like or subscribe if you'd like. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Have a good night.